Hello. Last video we had financing, which is money. Okay? So if we need money for our business, we can get what's called an angel investor, which is a rich person who has lots of money to give us money for our new venture, our new business. But there are also other ways to get money. There are other ways to get money. One way is called private capital. Private capital. Another way is called public capital. Public capital. Private capital is anywhere from a company that is not government and not trading on a stock exchange. It's not on the stock market. So it could be like an investment, like a hedge fund. A hedge fund is not the government, and it's not trading on the stock market. So it is a private company that is owned by private people. It's not a public company. So examples of private capital could be a loan from a bank, an angel investor from a person, investment from a private company that's not on the stock market. It could be investment from a private investment company like a hedge fund or a mutual fund, sort of, or a private equity fund, which are all investment funds that I will talk about in a later video. But for now, we just need to know that private capital is money coming from anywhere that's not government and not on the stock market. Now, if it's on the stock market, it's called public capital. Public capital. The public capital is the money that's in the stock market, in the bond market, commodity market like oil and gas and like aluminum, nickel, soybean futures. Any publicly traded market that you see on TV, you see the tickers going by, the ticker with the symbols, that is the stock market. That is the public capital markets. So, what is the third way to get money? The third way to get money is government-backed. Government-backed. Well, government is the government. Backed means government is giving the money. So, what is an example of a government-backed financing? A government-backed financing. Well, there's a lot of government-backed financing now. Look at General Motors. They got $60 billion, I think, so far. $60 billion for General Motors. That is a government-backed loan. Look at Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the mortgage companies. They got infinite government-backed loans. Infinite means forever. It just never stops. Keeps going and going and going and going and going. That is government-backed. So, which way is the best for your business? Well, private is easy because there's less work. You do not have to tell the whole world how much money you're making. Public, there's more money, but more work. You have to tell everybody how much money you're making. And a lot of accounting, a lot of stress and problems. The easiest is government, because the government doesn't care if it makes money or it loses money. The government just gives money and it's gone. They don't care. So, maybe government-backed is the best for your business.